Alrighty, boys, back at it again, that Krispy Kreme. Alright, so this is Hangman. So you run the code, it says up here secret word's potato, you put the P in, it comes up right here with the P, and then the dashes. If you put the R in, it says the letter is not in the secret word, and you are down to 9 guesses. You can finish this, right, and then it gives you the whole word, but it's mildly broken because it doesn't do its thing, but you know, hold up. And then it says you lose, the word was potato, but it says potato up there because the code doesn't work correctly. But yeah, so then up here, this is just defining secret word as potato, and then it tells you you're defining guesses left is 10, and then over here is defining get guess, and then this is a nested while loop. That's a nested while loop. And then it's just saying if this happens, then this, or this, or this. And then this is a nested for loop. It's underneath a define, update dashes, and this gives you adds to the list. And then this one right here. Garrett, shut your mouth. I'm trying to learn people stuff. And then right here, so this says when you have 0 guesses left, then it prints all the dashes and then how many guesses you have left. And then it tells you that the letter is in the secret word.
You're a gremlin.
It's supposed to be 5 minutes, doesn't it?
Gorillas do not exist.
Holy crap.
You have to go through the whole lesson.
Chimpanzees
The whole
do
lesson.
not deserve rights.
What do you
It
mean
has
the
to be
whole?
5 minutes.
Like the entire code HS?
No,
Does it have
you have to pick any lesson and make the screencast 5 minutes about it.
5 minutes. I'm at 1 minute 57 seconds.
Okay, you get 5 minutes.
Alright, and then if you have
God,
0
that sounds like a
guesses
waste of
left,
time.
then it prints you win or it prints you lose. The word was potato. Alright, you know what? Let's just like drop back into Tracy. Do some stuff. 49% completed. Bam. Shorter dash line. Alright, so this is pen up. Gives you these blank spaces right here. I'll just run it mighty quick. I'll just run it real quick. That gives you these little blank dashes right up in here, right? And then you put pen down and go forward 50, and that gives you this. And then yep. And then you do
Your whole screencast in Wingdings.
then big space, and then another big dash, and big space, big dash. But you have to start off going backwards because Tracy starts up in the middle. You gotta bounce back and go forward. Alright, let's go to the next one.
That's what she did. That's what I'm gonna do. Where instead of speaking, you write out the comments.
That probably would have been easier. I should have written out the comments. Alright, this one's caterpillar. This one draws a line of circles and makes a caterpillar. See, it does circle. Yes, shut up, Corbin. Leave me alone. I talk fast and don't really understand Hangman, so. Leave me alone, Corbin. I'm trying to learn people stuff. Alright, so circle 20 gives you a radius of 20 units inside the circle. And you pull pen up so you don't draw a big line in the middle of it. And then that continues down through that. I didn't mean to run that again, but there you go. There it is one more time. And then continue. Bam, badge. Congratulations.
I heard you have the way that you is.
That's not what I wanted to do. I'll explain this one, I guess. So this one involves turning left 90 degrees every time, and then you're drawing 50 unit lines in between them. Ooh, X and Y axes. Axes. I don't believe I did this one correctly, but it looks mighty fine. Not like this, because this is wrong. But so this one lifts up the pen, takes it all the way back up to the top, drops it down 200, and then it circles itself around and goes across and creates the XY axis with forward, right, pen down, pen up. Then we have rectangle. This one just is the same as the square, except for the sides they have them, instead of 50, they have them 100. And I am done. Adios, amigos.